That's your new Popo Palace, okay? Skylar, tell your kids. Explain it. So they know that they have to run here. That's perfect. Ayan. May tuwalya pa kayo dyan. Hindi kayo dyan matulog. O, dyan na. Do you like it here? So, your mama is there.